Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video I will teach you how to get different shields in Monopoly Go game. Before I start, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. Okay, first of all you can click the shields in the top right corner and here you will find out the shields you own. At the moment I have got only this shield because I play this game very rarely. But I know two different methods how to get the shields in the game. First of all, guys, you need to reach 35 levels in the game to be able to try these two different methods and get the shields. The first method to get the different shield is participate in game events. Here you can see there's an ongoing event which is called cloud cruising, so you can participate in this event, you can complete all of the tasks, and the price might be a different shield, guys, so you can try participating in these events and you might get the shield. Also, another way to get the shields is complete the daily tasks. So you need to click the wins on the left side of the bottom menu, and here you need to complete all of the tasks and the price might be a new shield. So you can try these two methods. They are working. You can get the shields with using these two methods. And so that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.